Today in the livestock market, cattle was sideways. There is no change in consumer demand. And I think that Friday's cattle on feed report is holding traders just in place. No one really wants to make a commitment with their positions one way or another. We had about $1 range. We're in the same channel that we've been in really since February 1. So really nothing doing in that live cattle market. We're between 180 and 186. 0.625. We're kind of like stuck there right now. We got to about 185-ish. That really is nothing else to write home about. CVAL on the live cattle market is at 12.4%. So the feeders were steady, kind of like a little bit of the same thing. Box beef prices were mixed. Cash trade may get a little bit of a lift. That's kind of the projection, but it won't happen until Friday, until right before the report. So there's kind of nothing happening today. So we keep churning in that same channel that mirrors cattle, and we're at 250.62 or 67, 250.675 and 263.125. We've been in that channel again since late January, early February. We had a $1.75 range today. We were kind of like at that 259 level, so a little bit towards the high side of that channel. Now the CVAL for the feeders is at 16%, so that's been pretty strong compared to where we had been before. Today hogs were a little bit lower. That overbought market is correcting somewhat. Today's selling kind of shows that the June high on Monday, that was 103.475, was quite a resistance number, and the futures really bumped off that. Now today we tried to claw back some of the losses, but in the end kind of gave way, and basically it confirms yesterday's downturn, and the correction kind of continues. So we're barely above that $100 mark. Something to watch. Is that going to be a psychological support number? We'll see. CVAL is at 21.9%. So for now, the correction continues, but perhaps by Friday we'll know a little bit more.